Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you all how to check battery health using Ampere app on Xiaomi Redmi 9A. Firstly, go into the Google Play Store, tap on search bar, and now search up Ampere. Now install the app. Now you can open the app. Now tap on consent, OK, and as you can see my battery health is good. Now I can also swipe to left or to right to display all of the information in different themes. So that's going to be all. If I helped you, please leave a like and subscribe, and if you have any more questions, let us know in the comments.